During its 125th anniversary meeting, the International Football Association Board, which consists of the 4 British associations and FIFA, has granted a further year for the testing of goal line technology to evaluate their fitness and readiness. Nine European companies have registered to take part in the tests, which are set to be held behind closed doors in stadiums chosen by the technology providers. This first test phase, due to be carried out in November and December 2011, will be conducted by the Swiss Technology Research Institute, EMPA.
EMPA is a governmentally funded research institution. We are doing research on any kind of material. So it might be metals, might be textiles, but we also do a lot of research in new technologies. Our experience with football and FIFA started about 10 or 12 years ago with the quality concept of football testing. Thanks to the experience in football testing and long-lasting collaborations, we have been very happy to be asked to do the goal line technology project together with FIFA.
The tests will comprise 3 main elements aimed at evaluating whether the technologies can accurately detect that the whole of the ball has crossed the line between the posts and under the crossbar. Correctly identifying shots into a completely empty net is one thing, but what about the more common situation when goalkeepers or defenders are standing in the way?
Ready?
To examine the accuracy of the various systems when it comes to shots that hit the goalkeeper or rebound off defenders standing near the goal line, another part of the test will see the researchers set up an impact wall. The wall will be similar in size and shape to a goalkeeper, in different positions either on or at varying distances behind the line. The test institute has to be able to determine with absolute certainty whether or not the ball has crossed the line during the tests.
Based on the requirements of the International Football Association Board, we have designed realistic and most reliable procedures for goal line technology testing. We designed the testing equipment and scenarios in order to be as close as possible to the reality of the game and be certain of the accuracy of our analysis.
The technology must function without any problems on both natural grass and artificial turf. Importantly, considering the number of evening games played, the tests will be carried out both during daylight hours and at night under floodlights. To pass the first phase of testing, the technology provider's systems will be asked to display 100% of the shots into an empty net correctly and achieve a success rate of at least 90% in the impact wall translation stage tests. For all situations, the goal must be indicated to the referee and other match officials by vibration and visual signal within 1 second. The results from this first phase will determine which companies will proceed to the second testing phase commencing in March 2012. Following this, FIFA will present the results of the tests to the IFAB, which will decide on the possible implementation of goal line technology.